So here we are, I've done my 10 cards. Let's see how I got on with the kit. Number 1. Straightforward, one of the washi tapes, one of the tags. I used a purple gel pen that I've got to put some faux stitching around it, and I dug out some of my sequins to pick up the sort of the purple berry colours in there. But that one's nice and straightforward, and some of my own embroidery flosses are the baker's twine that came with it. Really doesn't go with that washi tape at all. Card number 2, nice and understated, clean and simple. Use one of the stickers. I dry embossed some lines on the card and stuck the leaf stickers in a sort of rough wreath shape around the sentiment. I used my green gel pen to put dots in the corner, and some little Nouveau drops and sequins just to bling up the stickers a little bit. Number 3, I didn't like the pink of the tags very much, so I tried to soften it a bit by putting it on a more neutral back pattern paper from my stash. It's from, I think it's called Nature's Bounty from Do Crafts. I've had it for ages. And I cut a frame and I stuck quite a few of the pink gems on there. Not my favourite card, but it's okay. Number 4, different paper stash. Can't remember where these 2 pattern papers came from. The purple might be from Nature's Bounty again, but I thought the lilac picked up the flower stickers that I put on the tag, with another one of the sentiment stickers and some of the green gems on there. Number 5, use the pink and gold washi tape around a sentiment that I had, and some pink sequins and some gold stickles and gold embroidery thread to try and make that come together and not be so plain. I like the 2 washi tapes, they're very nice. They don't go with anything else in the kit though. This one, different pattern paper, a couple of stickers on the tag and some green gems on there. It's a nice simple note look. Getting a bit desperate by this point, using up even more of the stickers, different pattern papers and the tag in a different format. At this point I've almost given up on the kit. All that's in from the kit on this one is the tag. The sentiments out of my stash and the paper bits are from my stash as well. And here I'm down to just using some gems from the stash with some of my pattern papers. These are the card bases that came with the kit, but I was feeling quite despondent. But I decided for the 10th card I really had to use the stamps. So I put all the stamps on a block together and white embossed the card base, and then rubbed distress inks over it. Used a tag and just a couple of gems and some Nouveau drops to lighten it up. And I actually decided at that point I quite liked the stamps. So I went off and practiced the same collection of stamps on some canvas paper I've got. That's just with Memento. And this one was on the canvas paper with some purple embossing powder I've got, and just coloured it in with ordinary pencils. And that's quite a nice effect. I should be using those on other things. So at that point I decided I quite liked the stamps that had come in the kit. So what have I got left? Well, I've used up all of the cards, and the envelopes will go with them. I shall pair those up. I'll put white inserts in with messages depending on when I use them. I've got hardly any of the stickers left. I've got the whole stamp set again, which I will use. I've got loads of the gems left, although they are a bit girly and princessy. Plenty of the washi tape of both types left. The 3 ink pads, which actually weren't that good, but they'll go in the box anyway. 1 tag for some reason, and some baker's twine. So for a £5 purchase from Hobbycraft, that's not bad. I could consider that again.